As business owners, we all want a company that runs smoothly, delivers great work, and doesn't depend on us for every little thing. But getting there, that's the hard part. It's not usually the client work that trips us up. We're all great at that. It's the internal stuff: time tracking, onboarding, offboarding, documenting how things actually get done. It's all the behind the scenes work that actually keeps everything running that's often the challenge. And that's why we built real structure into how we operate at Beyond the Chaos. We use teamwork.com as the backbone of our entire business. It's what keeps everything organized, efficient, and chaos free. Teamwork is one of the best professional services project management tools out there, and we've now made it one of the best professional services operations tools out there. Not every business owner has the time or budget to build that kind of structure from scratch. So we created the Teamwork OpsHub. It's the same proven framework that we use every day inside teamwork.com. It's ready to install, it's easy to use, and it's built for the way small businesses actually work at a price that's really hard to beat. So if you feel ready and confident that your business can run without your constant involvement, you should try Teamwork Ops Hub. It's a great first step. See the first comment below for a link.